XRP forecast. Pundit predicts where XRP could be headed by June. Crypto commentator Remi Relife has issued a daring price prediction for XRP, suggesting it could trade in this range as early as June or July. For context, XRP is currently just $2.15. Reaching $75 would require a staggering 3,388% increase. According to Remi, this dramatic outlook is grounded in what he calls the end of the delay era and a convergence of bullish developments expected this summer. Remi emphasized that his forecast combines technical analysis, personal research, and what he describes as common sense. He cites Fibonacci levels, historical trends, and the timing of key events aligning in mid-2025, evidence that XRP is on the verge of a powerful breakout. While many have questioned the credibility of such lofty targets, Remi doubled down on his prediction, stating that whether it happens in June or July, those numbers are coming at 10 million%. Remi claims that a series of institutional and regulatory delays are finally nearing resolution. Among the events he expects to serve as catalysts in June: launch of X payments, announcement of the Genius Act stablecoin regulation, resolution of the SEC case, introduction of XRP-related ETFs. He ties these to broader financial transitions like the implementation of the ISO 20020 to standard and the possible resurgence of institutional FOMO in Q3. He suggested that July and August could usher in a full-scale bull run for XRP and select crypto assets. Interestingly, Remi noted that June is the month of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, implying the timing is no coincidence. Notably, other market analysts, such as Martin Heespoke, head of research at Uphold, also believe June could be a pivotal month for XRP. Heespoke cites several upcoming developments, including the launch of a spot ETF, the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, and the XRP Ledger APEX Summit. At this summit, many expect Ripple to unveil major XRPL updates in Singapore, potentially including AI integration, DeFi expansion, and tokenized asset support. They see all of these factors as significant price catalysts. Meanwhile, one of Remi's most controversial claims is that the launch of XRP ETFs alone could drive the price up to $50. He speculated that each ETF may hold 20 XRP per share, potentially triggering a massive supply shock. Remi argues that dwindling XRP supplies on retail and OTC markets could be overwhelmed if institutional demand surges. There's not much XRP left to begin with, he said. The big boys will come to the exchanges for your XRP. As a word of caution, Remi advises holders to self-custody their XRP. He noted that during previous bull runs, exchanges have often struggled to process withdrawals due to liquidity crunches. He recommends explicitly cold storage options such as Ledger or Tangum wallets. While many XRP holders embraced Remi's passionate forecast, others urge caution, noting the speculative nature of such high price targets and the aggressive timeline. In the meantime, XRP continues to trade below its all-time high, unchallenged for over 7 years.